This tutorial we're going to take a look at how you can add a reference image or an image into your canvas in Procreate. So my canvas here, if I want to add a reference image or an image, it's a bit different, but we're going to go to this wrench here, and in the wrench you can choose the add option. Now you can insert a file, a photo, take a photo, or add text. If you want to add an image into your canvas, you're just going to choose insert a photo and then choose the photo you want to add, and then you have added that picture. Now what you can also do is the wrench icon and then go to canvas, and in canvas you can choose reference. When you click this icon you can also add a reference image. Now you can choose a canvas or an image or a face. When I choose image, I can import an image, and then I can choose the image I want to import, and then I can move this one around. I can make it smaller. So you have added an image and you have a reference image, and it's all via the wrench icon. To add an image to your canvas, just click the add and then choose if you want to file, a photo, or take a photo. And if you want to add a reference, you go to canvas and then choose reference, and there you can choose which kind of reference you want. As easy as that. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.